Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication security. Sparrow Wallet. Sparrow Wallet is a desktop Bitcoin wallet designed for the users who want strong privacy and full control over their funds. It is non-custodial, meaning you control your private keys. Sparrow supports advanced features like hardware wallet integration, multi-signature wallets, PSBD transaction, and detailed coin control. Because it focuses on security and self-custody, many users look for two-factor authentication for extra protection. Sparrow Wallet does not support traditional two-factor authentication like SMS codes or Google Authenticator because it is a local desktop wallet, not an online account-based service. In order to secure Sparrow Wallet properly, you can go to the lock system over here. What you can do is first open to your Sparrow Wallet and make sure to log into your account. And once you reach into this interface of a Sparrow Wallet, in the top, we can find to this view here. And on this view, we can find this lock wallet just below the minimize to system tray. Select to this lock wallet and that is it. Now you can encrypt to your Sparrow Wallet as well. And Sparrow Wallet does not have traditional two-factor authentication. Instead, it uses the lock system and multi-signature setups. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.